Most B2B firms fail on social media, not because the platforms don't work. They fail because social media ends up being done by whoever has a spare hour or two. But if you want to outsource B2B social media, the real question isn't who can I entrust posting to? It's who can turn attention into qualified sales conversations without creating another management headache for us. So the first mistake I see businesses make is choosing a provider based purely on content volume. 10-week posts will never beat 4 strategic ones. You need to create a buyer journey that builds actual authority and starts conversations, not just a stream of bland updates. Good outsourcing will see the work structured around business outcomes, not vanity metrics like likes and impressions. That brings us to the second challenge, choosing the right partner. A freelancer is great for pure execution, and an in-house hire gives you proximity, but can be expensive and ultimately fall short in hitting commercial goals. For most firms, a specialist B2B agency is the most sensible option. But make sure you choose one that knows how to move a prospect from a LinkedIn post to a book discovery call. Here's the crucial point. Outsourcing social media shouldn't be a marketing admin decision. It's a growth decision. So treat it as such. Now to get our full step-by-step guidance, the critical red flags to watch out for, and the exact interview questions you need to ask a provider before signing a contract, click the link in the description below.